Welcome to our newest listing, 59 Deepwood Court, Amherst, New York.
This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath family home is just waiting for a new family to make it your own. Let's take a look.
Step inside to the inviting entryway. A bright and cozy space with large bay windows, perfect for natural light and plant enthusiasts. Adjacent to the living area, featuring warm-toned walls, hardwood floors, and an elegant chandelier for family meals and entertaining. Updated with light-colored countertops, a stylish backsplash, and ample wood cabinetry for all your culinary needs. A spacious gathering area with vinyl plank flooring, built-in shelving, and a brick fireplace. Let's head upstairs to see the bedrooms. First bedroom. A comfortable bedroom with neutral walls and a ceiling fan for climate control. Second bedroom. Featuring a nice window and modern striped bedding, ready for guests or a family member. Main bathroom. Recently updated with a contemporary vessel sink and dark vanity. Third bedroom. Another bright bedroom with a charming quilt pattern on the bed. Primary suite. The spacious main bedroom, featuring soft blue walls, multiple windows, and a large dresser. This beautiful home won't last long. To schedule a private showing or for more information on 59 Deepwood Court, contact us today.